Hi friends. Alongside the vanilla Reno 11, OPPO has finally taken the curtains off from the Reno 11 Pro as well. Packing a more powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, the Pro sibling retains similar specs to the Reno 11. In this article, we'll delve into the specs, features, and expected price of the OPPO Reno 11. OPPO Reno 11 Pro and Reno 11 were launched in China on Thursday, November 23. The new OPPO Reno 11 series comes as a successor to the Reno 10 series that was launched in May this year. The new models run on Android 14-based ColorOS 14 and flaunt 50-megapixel triple rear cameras. They have curved AMOLED displays and pack up to 12 GB RAM and a maximum 512 GB of onboard storage. As OPPO had promised, the regular OPPO Reno 11 runs on MediaTek Dimensity 8200 SoC, while the Pro model is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. OPPO's ColorOS 14 goes global. These phones will get new UI layer. Both OPPO Reno 11 series smartphones are currently up for sale in China. OPPO Reno 11 Pro specifications. The dual SIM, Nano, OPPO Reno 11 Pro runs on Android 14-based ColorOS 14 on top and sports a 6.74-inch 1.5K, 1240 by 2772 pixels, OLED curved display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and 450 ppi pixel density. The screen is rated to deliver 1600 nits of peak brightness, and up to 240 Hz touch sampling rate. Further, it has a centrally located hole punch cutout to house the selfie shooter. As mentioned, the handset runs on octa-core Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, along with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. On the camera front, the OPPO Reno 11 Pro has a triple rear camera setup, led by a 50-megapixel primary